Hello guys, I recently bought a 2008 Harley Davidson Street Glide and it still has the stock exhaust system on it. And for those who know Harley Davidson a bit, know that at least for the Street Glide, 2008 and earlier model have been born without a catalytic converter. And that being said, I've encountered a post on Marketplace recently from a guy stating that if you install slip-on from a later model on a 2008 and earlier, it would sound like 50-50 exhaust system. And of course, I had my doubt about it, but I got curious. So yesterday I went at my friend's place and he owned a 2012 Tree Glide. It's not the same motorcycle, but the exhaust system is the same size. And actually his original or his stock slip-on have the same number as, or the same model number as my stock slip-on, or the stock slip-on on my Street Glide, apart from 3-digit at the end. We thought at first that it was, since mine is a slash cut and his was straight cut, we thought it was the difference in the model number. But we installed his slip-on, his stock slip-on on my bike, and I noticed a difference. Of course, it doesn't sound like 50-50 exhaust system at all, but it's a bit louder than my stock setup, so I will let you hear the difference. I will let you hear both set up again at idle so you can tell by yourself if you notice a difference or not. This is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.